Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, we'll dive deep into hyperlinks in LibreOffice Calc, understanding what they are and how to create and use them effectively. We'll cover everything from linking to websites, files, internal cells, and the difference between relative and absolute hyperlinks. Let's get started. A hyperlink in LibreOffice Calc allows you to link to websites, other files, or even other locations within your spreadsheet. Think of it as a clickable shortcut to quickly access useful information. They are useful for navigating between sheets, opening external files, or directing users to helpful resources online. Hyperlinks enhance the interactivity of your in LibreOffice Calc workbook, making it easier for users to navigate. Let's learn how to insert hyperlinks in LibreOffice Calc. Creating a hyperlink. 1. Select a cell. Click on the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. 2. Insert hyperlink. Go to the menu and select Insert Hyperlink. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selected cell and choose Insert Hyperlink. 3. Choose link type. In the dialog that appears, you can select the type of link: Internet, document, or email. For a web page, choose Internet and enter the URL in the target field. For a document, choose Document and browse to the file you want to link to. For an email, select Email and enter the email address. 4. Set text. In the text field, you can specify the text that will be displayed in the cell. Five. Click OK. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click OK to create the hyperlink. Editing or removing a hyperlink. Edit. Right-click the cell with the hyperlink and select Edit Hyperlink to change its properties. Remove. To remove the hyperlink, right-click the cell and choose Remove Hyperlink. Using hyperlinks to navigate within a sheet. 1. Select a cell. Click on the cell where you want the hyperlink. 2. Insert hyperlink. Follow the same steps as above. 3. Select Document. Choose the document option. 4. Enter target. In the target and document box, enter the cell reference, e.g., sheet 1.A1, where you want to link. We'll dive deep into hyperlinks in LibreOffice Calc, understanding what they are, and how to create and use them effectively. We'll cover everything from linking to websites, files, internal cells. Let's start by creating a hyperlink to a website. I'll use Google as an example. First, select the cell where you want the link. Select Hyperlink option from the Insert Main Menu option. Now, I'll enter https://www.google.com as the address and type Google search in the text-to-display field. Hit OK. Now click on Apply button and then on OK button to create the hyperlink to Google search page. When mouse pointer is placed on hyperlink, it displays a hint that is Control key plus click will open the hyperlink to the Google search page. Yes, the Google search page is displayed in the browser. Creating an internal hyperlink within the same workbook. Next, let's link to another sheet in the same workbook. For example, I want to create a link in Sheet 1 that jumps to the summary sheet. So let's create a summary sheet. Click OK button to create the sheet. The Sheet tab displays the created sheet. Select the cell where you want the link, right-click, and choose Link again. But this time, instead of a website, we'll choose Place in this document. I'll select Summary from the list of sheets and type A1 as the cell reference. This means the link will take us to cell A1 in the summary sheet. Hit OK. And now we have an internal link. Show Summary as the hypertext. Now, Control key plus click will open the summary sheet. Just recall and recap quickly how we have created an internal link. Let's create a back hyperlink to jump to the original sheet. Select Hyperlink Demo Sheet. It works. Creating a hyperlink to another file. Now, let's see how to link to another file. This is useful if you want to quickly access related documents. Select a cell, right-click, and choose Link again, or Insert and select Hyperlink option. Ensure to select the document option. Select Document from the dialog box by selecting the folder and the file from it. The hypertext is Case Studies, a PDF which is to be displayed. Now clicking on this link will open the file. Hyperlink to an email address. Finally, you can even create a hyperlink that opens an email. Right-click a cell, choose Link, and select Email address from the options on the left. I'll type in the email address and subject line. Now, when I click this link, it will open my default email client with a new message ready to send. Now, when I click this link, it will open my default email client with a new message ready to send. The email client needs to be configured before using this link. To recap, we've covered how to create hyperlinks to websites, other files, internal sheets, and email addresses. Relative and absolute hyperlinks in LibreOffice Calc. A relative hyperlink links to a location relative to the current file's location. This means if the workbook and the linked files are moved together to another folder or drive, the hyperlink still works because it's based on the relative path between them. Example: if your LibreOffice Calc file is in C:\documents and you hyperlink to a file in the images folder in the same directory, C:\documents/images/photo.jpg. The hyperlink will still work if both folders are moved to another location, like D:\backup/documents/images. 2. Absolute hyperlinks. An absolute hyperlink contains the full path to the target file or location. If the files are moved to another folder, the link will break because the path is fixed. Example: if you hyperlink to a file like C:\users\yourname\documents\file.pdf and later you move the file or LibreOffice Calc workbook to another folder, the hyperlink won't work unless the files are in the exact same locations as specified. How to use a relative hyperlink. Ensure both the LibreOffice Calc file and the target file are stored in the same folder or subfolder structure. Insert a hyperlink without specifying the full path, just the file name or subfolder. How to use an absolute hyperlink. Insert the full path of the target file, ensuring that it won't change. Typically used when linking to files on a network or external servers. Key differences. Relative hyperlinks. Adapt if both files are moved together. Absolute hyperlinks. Stay fixed and can break if files are moved. Let's talk and demonstrate about relative and absolute hyperlinks. A relative hyperlink is based on the location of the current file. If both the Excel file and the link file are moved to a different folder, the link still works. Let's start with spreadsheet named hyperlink and casestudies.pdf file in the folder ADemo1. Let's open the spreadsheet file named hyperlink. Let's create hyperlink to the PDF file in the same folder as this spreadsheet. Select Document from the dialog box, and then select the file to be linked and also specify the hypertext. Hyperlink to the PDF document is created. Now let's check it. It works. The PDF file names Case Studies is opened. Let's save and close the spreadsheet. Now, let's select both these files and move to another folder, say ADemo2. Let's open spreadsheet file and check whether hyperlink to PDF file still works. It's working great. Now closing spreadsheet file and moving only casestudies.pdf file to another folder. Now spreadsheet file and linked file are in different folders. Let's open spreadsheet file and check whether it still works. It failed to open display an error message. On the other hand, an absolute hyperlink contains the full file path. If the file is moved, the link breaks because it's looking for the file in the original location. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again.